Hello, good morning, students. In the last period, we see about the bridge course activity number 1 and number 2. We saw about the word happy, sad, angry, scared. But now today we are going to learn about the third activity of bridge course. Now you are the students of 7th class, and in this activity now you may see first of all the learning outcomes or the competency statements. It means in this activity what are you going to learn? Here is the most important. First of all, now you should learn aloud using proper pause, space and volume. वाचन करत असताना आवाजातील चढ उतार किंवा शब्दातील तुटकपणा या गोष्टी आपल्याला लक्षात घेतल्या पाहिजे. देन यू शुड रीड सायलेंटली with comprehension. Here comprehension means understanding. जेव्हा आपण एखादा पॅसेज मनातल्या मनात वाचत असतो तेव्हा आपल्याला त्याचं आकलन झालं पाहिजे, ही गोष्ट महत्त्वाची आहे. देन यू शुड रीड टू seek the information from notice board, charts, tables and other graphic presentation. It means notice board असेल, चार्ट असेल किंवा टेबल्स असतील किंवा इतर ग्राफिक प्रेझेंटेशन असेल तर त्यावर जी काही माहिती दिलेली आहे तर ती आपल्याला व्यवस्थितपणे वाचता आली पाहिजे. दिस इज द एम ऑफ दिस ॲक्टिव्हिटी. नाव यू रीड द पोयम फन अँड गेम्स विथ तारा अँड फ्रेंड्स. नाव हिअर you should know how to construct a sentence using the table. Here you see there is a colorful table in this activity and you try to construct a sentence from this table. Then you must use dictionary skillfully. डिक्शनरी मीन्स शब्दकोश. इंग्रजी भाषेतील असलेला शब्दकोश त्याला डिक्शनरी असे म्हणतात. तर त्या डिक्शनरीचा कौशल्यपूर्ण पद्धतीने तुम्हाला वापर करता आला पाहिजे. व्हेन यू लर्न इंग्लिश लँग्वेज यू मस्ट use dictionary for learning new words. Then you should read the chart and frame as many sentences as you can. You should read this type of chart. Look at this chart, part 1, part 2 and come back. You should frame as many sentences as you can. Now look at this activity. Now see Read the chart and frame as many sentences as you can. In part 1, I am, he is, she is, you are, we are, they are, boys are, girls are. In part 2, part 2, smiling, reading, swimming in a tank, playing with the ball, laughing, crying, drawing, and writing. Here, see, there are some sentences. Number 1, we are smiling. Now, there is also blank space to write the new sentence for you. You may construct the new sentence like he is smiling. See this sentence, we are smiling, then he is smiling. Now she is smiling, here I am smiling. Then you are smiling, you can also write we are smiling. Here boys are smiling. Just like this chart, look at the under this chart, there are some sentences also. I am smiling, I am reading, I am swimming in a tank. There is also blank space for you to construct the new sentence like I am drawing. Here also he is smiling, he is reading, he is crying, he is writing. Then look at the next sentence is girls are smiling, girls are laughing, girls are drawing, girls are writing. This type of sentences you must construct as your own. Now see the solved activity or demo. For example, I am smiling, I am reading. You also make many sentences like this. Then I want to tell you, you read the chart and frame as many sentences as you can, and read the sentences that you have framed. वाक्य त्या ठिकाणी तयार करायचे, मोठ्याने वाचायचे आणि वहीमध्ये लिहूनही काढायचे. Then you can also use Diksha app, and there is also link for you to know about this activity more and more. Then activity number 7. See, learning outcomes. Here frames a set of instructions and questions. Here you must prepare a set of instructions and questions. First of all, you may know the use of imperative form to give instructions in English. For example, be quiet, take care, listen, sit down. These are the instructions. And now see, you want to learn to read instructions and the questions, then you must to all the activities as your own. First of all, here you may read the words given in this picture. First of all, who, whose, where, how much, how many, how old, what, when, then how far, why. These are the WH words used to make the questions, and there is also chart, a table for you. Here are some questions and instructions. First of all, I read it. You also listen it carefully. See, number one, question number one: when do you feel happy? Then number two, how many marbles does Ajay have? Number three, where do you live? Number four, whose book is this? Number five, how old are you? Number six, why, who has a library? Number seven, how far is Palghar from Thane? Number eight, what do you do when you feel happy? Number 9, how much money do you have? And number last, why are Amit and Ajay fighting? There are also instructions now. You read this and match the pairs. First of all, see, I am 20 years old. I wag my nail. I wag my tail when I am happy. I have 100 rupees. Palghar is 50 kilometers from Thane. Ajay has 10 marbles. Ajay seal and broke it. Then I live at Karjat. Then this is Ajay's book. Then school has a library, and last one is I feel happy when I play with Paddy. You have to match all these questions and responses and write it in your notebook. Then I want to tell you just one thing. For example, look at these sentences. When do you feel happy? I feel happy when I play with Paddy. This is the correct match pairs. Then you have to frame WH questions and answer it. And you can also make new questions using this type of words and write it in your notebooks. Okay, thank you.